The top of the tailgate molding can take quite a beating over the years. You may find heavy scratches, dents, and overall dullness in the polished finish. If you're restoring your El Camino, this is a perfect way to touch off the rear tailgate. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 through 72 El Camino top of the tailgate moldings. Introduced back in 1989, we've been the leader in the industry in manufacturing bed moldings for decades. All top of the tailgate moldings are manufactured from roll form stainless steel. Our roll form process guarantees a consistent fit and finish unlike others on the market using brake formed versions. Roll forming is the original GM way, and it's exactly why we stuck to it. In addition, we include all the proper mounting clips for your molding, so it'll be ready to mount up right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.